Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you how to remove a card from your Apple Pay. This video is going to be short and sweet and not a lot of steps for you to follow. So the first step you're going to do is open your wallet app. And then from the bottom, you're going to select the card you would like to remove. Then you're going to tap the three dots in the upper right-hand corner and then select Card Details. From there, you're going to select Remove Card. And then confirm that you want to remove the card. And you have successfully removed the card from your Apple Wallet. And that is the best and easiest way I know how. If you guys have a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.